Now, here's a welcome step and what many would say a step in the right direction. According to a new Supreme Court order, Muslims too now get the right to adopt children, and the Muslim Personal Board can't stand in the way of adoption. My colleague Siddharth Pandey reports.
The difference between being a ward legally and being a child legally, there are a lot of differences. We as a family are overjoyed.
For the past 8 years, human rights activist Shabnam Hashmi has waged a battle in the Supreme Court to be legally recognized as the parent of her adopted daughter. The Apex Court finally gave her that right. The Supreme Court in its order observed that persons of any faith can adopt a child under the Juvenile Justice Act. The Juvenile Justice Act will prevail till uniform civil code is achieved. Muslim personal law will not stand in the way of such adoption. Sheher Hazmi Raza was 1 year old when she was abandoned by her biological parents at an adoption home in the capital in 1996. That's when Hashmi had taken custody and brought her up as part of her family. However, adoption laws at the time allowed for only Hindu parents to get the legal status of being declared a parent. Parents of other faiths were given the status of a guardian, and they adopted children as wards.
Even a distant cousin could come and challenge, any inheritance.
Which religion you come from will no longer be a factor when it comes to adoption. The landmark judgment by the country's highest court not only provides for dignity as well as equality under the law, but crucially also legal protection for the child. With camera person Tulsi Dharan, in New Delhi, Siddharth Pandey for NDTV.